A yearly return of 78.8%. That's the return that we've achieved in the last year. As a result, we've achieved the 5th rank in the Global Cup Trading Championship. Although this is a lower rank than we've achieved in the year before with 156.2%, where we've achieved the 3rd rank, we however can see that our strategy is very robust and the performance it delivers is above the average. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schulz and in this video I'm going to show our trades in this week and the corresponding results. As always, let's have a look at the portfolio at the beginning of the week. Here you can see that we started into the week with an empty portfolio and we ended this week with one open position, namely 14 long contracts in cotton. Furthermore, during the week we made a trade in soybean oil. Let's have a look at the trades individually. Let's begin with soybean oil. On the weekly chart you can see a strong uptrend. We received a buy signal in the weekly trend direction, which is in fact a good setup. On the daily chart, however, you can see that we conducted 3 trades in this market. 2 were very positive, but the last one basically had wrong timing and we were stopped out. From the COT data analysis, we derive that we are expecting a trend continuation. In the last week we've seen a correction. Nevertheless, for next week we are looking for re-entry opportunities. Next trade, cotton. On the weekly chart we also can see a strong uptrend. We are facing a longer correction here, but we've seen a buy signal in the weekly trend direction, which we are pleased to see. On the daily chart, our entry pattern signaled the right timing. We were triggered according to the plan, and now we are long 14 contracts and well in the win. As always, a few words on our second COT strategy, the so-called champion strategy. You can see that we started into the week with an open position, namely 2 long contracts in crude oil. You already know this trade from our last video, and during the week we closed this position and end up with an empty portfolio on Friday. By realizing this gain of $7,140 this week, we could reach a new all-time high on this account. As you know, we started to trade this account with a starting capital of $50,000 in November 2020, and now we're looking at an account value of $137,000. Here you can actually see our trade in crude oil. As you can see, we traded the breakout from this consolidation period here, and we were able to close this position on Friday, which gave us a nice profit that reached our new all-time high on the champion account. Now in the end, a few words as always on CRB index. As you can see, commodity prices further increase. We are in a strong uptrend and thus we are going to continue looking for long trade opportunities. That's it from our side this week. Thank you for your attention and see you again for our regular trading results video on next Sunday.